Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze machine. Today we are working our 70,000 kilocalories pellet burner for home use and commercial use. As you can see, this is the pellet burner working condition. This pellet burner, including an 50 kilograms pellet storage tank, including an screw pivot, including an removable working burning chamber. This pellet burner, it's a compact size and with 4 wheels, easy for moving. This pellet burner has the function of automatic ignition, automatic burning, and automatic temperature control. You can put your cooking pot on top of this fire flame, and this fire flame can be controlled by this pellet burner. In the backside, there is an electric control panel. You can control the speed of fan blower and the speed of pellet feeding. And this pellet burner is very suitable for home and commercial use. It's also very high efficiency pellet burner. If you like Longze pellet burner, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. Trust Longze machine. Trust Longze quality. Thank you. Bye bye.